back, cats, bats, and everything in between. I'm Dawson Wagner, and this is your weekly summary of K-State Today events for the week. To start us off, the first ever K-State Social Media Week is launching at 10:30 a.m. and will run through all the way through Friday with a mix of in-person and online events tailored to social media management and creation. And any student that attends 2 or more events this week will have a chance to receive a scholarship to take courses in social media strategies and content creation. For more information about this week's social media events, you can find it online. On Wednesday, February 16th, the Department of Diversity and Multicultural Student Affairs is hosting a virtual Safe Zone Advanced Workshop titled LGBT Basics that will help students learn and understand the history of LGBTQ+ issues. They want to promote authentic allyship through the development of in-depth skills, helping students better understand the past of gay and transgender issues in society. The event will run from 2 to 3:30 on Wednesday. And on Thursday, from 11:30 to 1:30, the Union Programming Council is promoting a Blind Build Bash event for Eugene Lee Yang's visit on March 4th. There'll be freebies, chances to win big prizes, and you can strut your stuff, like the icon himself. The promo for the event will be located here, on the ground floor of the Union in the indoor courtyard. For Wildcat Watch, I'm Dawson Wagner, and this has been your K-State Today summary for the week.